In today's digital world, your website is your first impression. At Kcweb, we don't just build websites, we build powerful digital experiences. From custom web design to high-converting landing pages, we bring your ideas to life with modern, responsive designs. We create secure e-commerce solutions, optimize your website for search engines, and keep your business online with reliable web hosting services. Every website we craft is designed to speak your brand's language and drive real, measurable results. Your business deserves more than just a website. It deserves visibility, growth, and impact. Kcweb, building digital experiences. Visit our website at www.kcwebtechcenter.com.ng. Send us an email at info@kcwebtechcenter.com.ng or call us today on +234 8059 084477. Kcweb. Let's build your digital future.